guys, it's Jen over at World. Ooh, I sounded squeaky. It's Jen over at worldofjencraft.com, and I thought I would pop in just for a really quick project using my Chalk Couture transfers. So a little bit of background. I purchased this little, I don't even know what it is, chalkboard tin thing at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, probably about a month ago when I first joined, and I haven't done anything with it yet, so I thought I would pull it out. I ordered the Farmhouse Transfer, so this is a pretty big transfer here, and it has quite a few different things, including this pig, and then it also has all of these that go on it as well. So I needed something that was small enough to fit in this little, whatever it is, chalkboard tinny thing. It has a little hanger so I can throw it on my wall. And when I saw this pig, I thought, okay, this is it. This is perfect. This is what I'm going to use for this project. It should go really super fast. So let's go ahead and we're just going to get to it. So I'm just going to pull my transfer off of this carrier sheet. And if you notice, I don't know if you can see, this side is glossy and this side is not. So when you go to put your transfer back onto the carrier sheet, you want to make sure that you put it the glossy side up. So I am just going to take my transfer quick, and you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going to go ahead and just put that on my jeans for a second, because I don't want my transfer to be so sticky that it does not come back up again on this. I'm going to try to center him as best I can. I'm not going to put any other words or anything on this. And then I'm just going to smooth it all out here, make sure that there's no bubbles and that it's nicely stuck onto my surface. I am going to use two different colors on this, and you probably won't really be able to tell on here as much that it's, you know, well, I mean you will, because it's not going to be pink, but, and this is called Peachy. I think this is a really pretty color, and I thought it would be perfect for my pig. And which, side note, I have been a collector of pigs since I was a teenager, so that's another reason why I really love this. And then I'm going to use sand for this grass down here. It's just a little tiny bit of it, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to get started. I think maybe I'm just going to do my pig first, and then I'm going to come down here and get my little grassy stuff afterwards. So I just took a a squeegee, and I cut this in half. And then I'm just going to take this and we're going to kind of glop it on here. And then just go ahead and bring it back up again. Making sure that I have all of my spaces covered, all of those little parts of the screen covered. And then whatever excess I have is just going to go back into my jar. And then I'm just going to get his feet down here. And I think I'm just going to get this off of there as well. Alright, and then I'm going to take my sand with using, now this squeegee here I cut into thirds. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on my grass here. And you don't need a whole lot, so let's go ahead and pick up that leftover, and now we can go ahead and pull our transfer back to reveal. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it, love it, love it. That, oh my goodness. Yep, I like you a lot. So that's it. See if I can bring it up here a little bit closer. I don't know if you can see with all the glare of that black, but that turned out really cool. I cannot wait to hang this on probably on my craft room wall, so I can sit and admire my own work. Alright guys, this was a little shorty. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or would you like any information on Chalk Couture, you are welcome to leave a comment in this post. just kind of on a little quick note, it is $99 to join. They have only been around, well, I shouldn't say only been around, but they've only been around since July 1st. So it's a brand new company, and we're growing by leaps and bounds, and people are just absolutely loving the projects and creations that they are making with this. If you don't really have any desire to join Chalk Couture, you are more than welcome to be a consumer, a customer, and you will have just as much fun. This is just, I just can't tell you how excited I am about this. So anyways, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. worldofjencraft.com if you want to see details on the project. And other than that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.